So it's that time of the year where you can convert your projects into cash prizes, and the prize pool is really big this time. So Circuit Digest team came up with yet another contest called as IOT and Edge AI Project Challenge with Digikey, where you can win prizes worth 7 lakh rupees. Hey, techiesms का first prize हो गया ना book?
Sorry sir, we are not allowed to participate.
Well, anyways, I genuinely want all of you people watching this video to participate in it, and to motivate all of you, well, techiesms is also giving away some cash prizes to lucky subscribers, which I'll be disclosing by the end of the video. And now, let me brief you about this contest. So this year's contest is all about AI on the edge and Internet of Things, and here, Circuit Digest team have selected 3 best boards which you can choose for your project for this contest. And those boards are, the first is the Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi board, which is of course from Arduino. Second is the Max 7 8000 Feather Evaluation Kit from Analog Devices. And the third is the SciPed Max Duino Development Kit from Seed Studio. Now all these 3 boards are super powerful for making your Edge AI project. And don't worry, you will be getting these boards for absolutely free. So yes, there are a lot of prizes to be won in this contest. So now let me show you the step-by-step process about how you can take part in it. Okay, so first we'll go to the contest page, whose link you can find in the description of this video. Then we'll click on the login button. Now here, we first need to make an account, so I'll click on the register. And here I'll start filling all my details. Now here, talking about the countries, then not all countries are eligible for this contest, only the Asian countries are eligible, and the list of the countries are already mentioned here. Here, as I'm from India, I'll select India and let it fill the rest of the details, checkmark this box and click on the register button. And with this, we have successfully registered an account. So after making the account, now is the time to submit your project ideas, and based upon that project ideas, the Circuit Digest team will be selecting the top 60 participants who will be getting the development board for making the projects. So this is a very crucial step, so make sure you choose the best project idea and provide a detailed documentation to increase the chance of your winning. Now let me guide you where to provide the project details. Okay, so now to submit your project idea, you need to go to My Account and click on Edit Project Idea. And here you need to fill out all the details regarding your project. In my case, I already filled it up, so let me just show you. So the project title in my case is the Offline Voice Commands Based Home Automation, and I'll be making this project with the help of the Max Duino Kit for AI IoT. In case if you want to use any other board, you can just click here, and as you can see, all those 3 boards are available here. Now here, in case if you don't know about how to use any of the particular board or what are the features of those boards, well, here the Circuit Digest team did a really great job in which they have created a getting started video for all the 3 boards. Maybe it's Max 7 8000 Feather, Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi, or the SciPed Max Duino IoT Kit. I'll be leaving away the link of this page in the description, so you can watch out the video, you can click on the Digikey page to see the technical specifications, and later you can decide which board to be used. Coming back to our form page, so here I'll select the Max Duino Kit, and here I need to provide the complete description about what I'm going to make. Now here, try to be as descriptive as possible, because all these things will decide whether you'll go for top 60 participants or not. So here, as you can see, I have provided the description about the project, and also I have mentioned as why I'm using the SciPed Max Duino Kit, what are its features, the processor, everything which is required for my project. Not only that, I have also provided the project objectives, like it will be used for voice command recognition, for home automation control. It will also be having a great user interface for alert or notification, and it will be using the local processing, and as it is using the local processing, it will be more secure than the one which is dependent on the internet. So I tried to be as descriptive as possible, so the viewer, the judge who is going through this complete page, can understand what you are going to make and why you have chosen this board. Later, it is also asking for share your maker profiles to increase chance of winning the free development board. Now this is of course optional, like all the social media links, but let me tell you why it is important to provide all these links. Here, as you can see, I've provided all my links like LinkedIn, Instructable, Hackster, Instagram, YouTube and Twitter. It's just because the reviewer who gonna review your profile, your project, will also be going to review who you actually are. Are you really a maker and electronic enthusiast? What kind of work you have done before? All those things they will be judging, and based on your profile, the reviewer will judge that you are genuinely interested in this field of electronics and wanted to make something really innovative, really useful, and this will increase the chance of your winning. Later, you need to provide the WhatsApp number and the shipping address which they will be using to ship that development board of your choice to your location. And lastly, you need to provide whether you are an individual participant or you are participating in a team. In case you are individual, then it's okay, but in case if you are participating in a team, you need to write down the name of each and every member. Maximum 5 members are mentioned here. So that was all about how to fill up all this thing and how you can increase your chance of winning. And later you can just click on this submit button, and with this you are done with all the steps for submitting your project ideas. So now after providing the project ideas, you need to wait till 31st of August, and after that the Circuit Digest team will be contacting the top 60 participants and will be helping them to get the development board of their choice from Digikey. And once you receive that board, it's time to make that project idea which you submitted into reality, and later you need to record a proper explanatory video and a detailed documentation about your project, whose sample links you can find in the Circuit Digest website, so you can take it as a reference. And to do all these things, you'll be getting a time till 31st of October. Yes, that's the last date of project submission, and later your project videos and documentation will be judged by the panel of judges which you can see on the screen right now, and they will be judging your project based on these criteria. And the winners will be announced on 1st of December 2024. And hey, did I mention what are the prizes to be won? So now let me tell you what you can win in this contest. So those 60 people whose ideas got shortlisted will be getting the free development board and goodies. Later, those 10 participants who didn't make it to the top 3 position will be getting the cash prize of rupees 8,000 each. And now let me tell the major prizes. So the winner at the 3rd position will be getting a cash prize of rupees 40,000. Later, the winner at the 2nd position will be getting a cash prize of rupees 65,000. And the winner at the top position will be getting a huge cash prize of rupees 1,20,000. Really, the prizes are super attractive this time. And yes, along with all those prizes, I do have the special cash prize for techiesms subscribers. So yes, this time even techiesms is contributing the cash prize award, as we want more and more people to join this contest, and you do not need to do any extra effort for this. So you just need to successfully submit the project idea on the Circuit Digest page, and later you need to comment below this video as successfully participated along with your username. And that's it. You are eligible for the techiesms cash prize giveaway, and later on 31st of July we'll be selecting 5 random subscribers from the comment section and will be giving away rupees 500 cash prize to each of the lucky winner. And remember, the only condition is you need to submit the project idea successfully, and you need to be a subscriber of techiesms, of course. And yeah, that was all about the contest and the prize money that you can win in it. I particularly find this contest very interesting, so I decided to share it with you. And now you also share this video with all your college and school groups and ask your friends to participate in this contest. And yes, do click the like button if you really appreciate this contest announcement video, and subscribe the channel for more such interesting video in future. And yeah, that being said, I'm just ending this video here, and now just wait for my next video. Until then, explore, learn, share with me, techiesms.